everyone, welcome to Royal Kitchen. Today we'll be making paneer do pyaza. Let's get started. For making paneer do pyaza, we'll be needing 2 tablespoons oil and we'll be adding 3 finely chopped onions. Let it caramelize. In another pan, we'll add 1 tablespoon of pure ghee and we'll add our paneer pieces and we'll fry it till it's golden brown. See, our paneer is done. Now in the same pan, we'll add tomatoes. See, our onion is caramelized and we'll add spices. 1 tablespoon chili powder, 1 tablespoon coriander, half tablespoon salt, 1 tablespoon garam masala, ginger garlic paste 1 tablespoon. See, our tomatoes are done. Now we'll add our tomatoes to our mixture and saute it. We'll take 3 to 4 petals of onion and fry till it's pink. Now we'll mash it and let it cook for 3 to 4 minutes. We'll add 2 bay leaves. Now to this, we'll add some curd. Mix it well and cook it for 3 to 4 minutes. Now to this we'll add our paneer pieces. Saute it and cook for 3 to 4 minutes. See, our yummy dish is ready. It's looking so delicious. I've garnished it with some paneer pieces, some mint leaves and onion. If you like this recipe, please like, share and subscribe.